Okay, so throw the pan in. Throw in some oil.
Better put some oil in there, my dear.
Okay.
I don't know, maybe...
Just a little bit.
That's enough.
Yeah, I think so too. It's actually a little more than I put. A little more than I meant to.
Yeah, that's good. I'd say that's about a quarter cup oil, maybe.
Yes.
Yeah, probably.
I usually try to wear my hair up when I'm cooking because that's a fire under there.
It is.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Okay.
All right.
So.
Okay, what's going on here?
Okay. So I'm going to get about, I used a tablespoon, a large spoon.
Yeah, and just mount it up?
And I'm going to mount it up.
Okay, cool.
And you can put it in your hand. My hands are clean. I washed them, I promise.
Are you sure?
I did.
I didn't see you wash your hands.
You did, silly. Okay.
Oh, okay. No, I really didn't see you wash your hands.
I did, promise.
Okay. Well, I know.
I always wash my hands. Okay.
Hey, they're not sizzling yet.
Oh,
I don't think the pan's not hot enough.
Oops, okay. So let me wash my hands for real this time. And that's not what you do, actually. You need to have it warmer than that. So turn it up to about medium high to begin with.
Oh, I turned it all the way up. We're not like...
You're on high?
We're just, we turned it up to 11
I
here.
usually cook it about medium.
Okay. Well, I know.
But I normally...
Oh, it's starting. Oh, look at it. Listen. Starting to sizzle. Okay.
Yay. Okay.
Okay.
So now about medium low.
About medium low, yeah. So that's a good spot to be.
Okay.
Okay. You know what you need? You need a spatula.
Yeah. I do, you're right.
And watch this. Let's flatten this puppy out.
Let's
move it over here. So we got room for... So this one won't be by itself, all lonesome.
I know, we need to give it a partner.
Okay.
Couple.
Here we go.
A friend.
Okay. He's a friend.
Okay.
All right.
Is that big enough?
Yeah, it looks awesome.
Okay.
Just throw that puppy in there.
Okay, we'll do that one. And I'll just throw the other ones in while I'm at it.
Okay. How many are you going to get? About 4?
I think we may get 4, maybe more, actually.
Okay, cool.
I didn't think this was really going to be enough, but I think it is now.
Okay.
This good bunch.
Looks like you're going to have a little extra there.
Yeah.
You can make that third one in there. You could put a little bit more on top of it.
I think I will.
This is a cool part. If you go, hey, you know what?
I want more.
Because if somebody says, hey, I want a little bit more, you can probably split it
between this one and this one.
Okay.
And
I think you're done.
I think so too. I'm going to kind of squish it down like.
Okay, now here's the part. Okay.
Okay, and the thing you need to know is you're going to want to let it cook before you try to flip it.
Here, let me try something here.
Okay.
Here's a little trick you can do. Watch this.
If you flip it too soon,
use the tip.
Oh, thank
like
you.
that. Okay. And the reason you do is it won't stick like that.
Okay. Thanks, dear.
Yeah. I learned that because I've made these a few times. So have you.
I usually bake them.
You usually bake them?
I do.
Okay.
That's what I've done in the past. So then you don't have to sit over the stove. It takes longer.
Oh, I like getting horribly burned by the splattering grease. No, actually, you know what? Honestly, I've never had the grease splatter in this operation. Well, it's pretty safe.
If you don't give you water in it, you should be okay.
Yeah. Okay. So right now, we're gonna let these guys cook, and we're gonna and you see it here in the next moment.
Started a minute ago. Probably like 2 or 3 minutes, wouldn't you say?
Well, we'll give them an update when it's time to flip them.
Okay.
Here we go. We're gonna pause this. Hey, we'll be right back. Hey, remember, folks, you gotta click subscribe. This is a wonderful recipe.
Thank you.
All right.
We'll have more, and if you have any comments, like things you'd like to see us cook, please leave a comment. We'll see if we can do it.
Okay. Okay. Here we go. When we come back, just golden beauties. We're going to flip them.
Okay.
You got it?
I got it.
Okay. So basically what we did was we turned this down to a little bit lower heat.
And gently squish under the patty.
Well, and what you want to do is when you're cooking these, you want to, like, you know, before it's time to turn them, you want to get it and work them a little bit.
Right.
Otherwise, they'll come apart in pieces.
And that's no fun. It still tastes good.
It still tastes wonderful.
But it's just not as pretty.
Right. And we want some pretty patties.
That's the preference anyway.
But like this one here, this one's going nice.
Yeah, it is. Doing a good job.
All right, cool deal. All right. Alrighty. All right, cool deal. All right, there we go.
How many minutes? Let's see. It's been about
It's
4
been
minutes.
About 3 or 4 minutes.
Yeah, 4. Actually, it's been 4 or 5.
So what I do is I look on the underside, and they're not quite there yet.
Okay.
They're starting to turn a little brown. Mm-hmm. Not looking good.
If you're in a hurry, this is a great recipe. You can get this ready pretty quick.
Okay, I tell you what, folks, when you see them again, we'll have them flipped.
Okay. We are back. Jason flipped the patties, and we were just discussing that had we added an egg, they'd probably stick together better.
Well, now an egg.
It's not necessary.
It's not necessary. The thing is with some of these recipes, we try not to overburden people with too much stuff. Now, a single egg in this, probably make them hold together a little better. Also might make them cook a little quicker. Mm-hmm. But right now we flipped them, and they're holding together pretty good. So.
Something else I'd like to tell you: if you're not using almond flour, I mean, this is a low carb with the almond flour, but you can use regular flour. And something that my mother-in-law told me is that if you put some, besides putting flour inside the recipe, you can put some on each side of the tuna patty, and it will brown better. She told me that today, actually.
Now, one of the tricks here is to make sure that you frequently, use plenty of oil, but also frequently get in here and move them around a little bit, and also pat them down. And the thing is as they cook, the moisture.
That's funny, honey, because you know what?
What's that?
I told them not to move them around as much because then they break up.
Well, they can't. Well, the thing is you got to move them around a little bit, or otherwise they'll stick so bad that you'll have tuna patty hash.
Oh, okay.
So.
This tastes good.
It does taste good. Okay. All right.
I'm looking forward to dinner.
Yeah. But we're going to let these cook for several more minutes.
Okay.
And so when we come back, we'll have them on a plate.
Okay.
So right now, that's what they look like. We're going to wait till they brown up even more. So these are going to be pretty tasty. All right. Say bye-bye, tuna patties.
Bye-bye, tuna patties.
For dog.
Hey, look who came to visit.
Yep.
It's our doggy. All right.
Outside.
Time to go outside. Time to take out. Yes, we do have a dog. He's half Schnauzer and half Basenji. Quite the combination. He's quite hilarious. You'll probably see more of him as time goes on. So anyway,
especially since he likes to smell the food.
he loves to smell it. He loves to beg. He's an incessant beggar. Okay, all right. Well, folks, we'll be back in just a minute, and these will be on a plate. And here they are. They look absolutely amazing. Yes, it is 11:21 p.m. We love it. We love it. We haven't had dinner. Yeah, let's see. 11:21. Yeah, and these are wonderful. But anyway, we're going to consume these. Hey, folks, give this a shot. And just, like I said, been doing this a while, and so I've got good success. Don't have to use an egg, but I'll tell you what, an egg might make your life a little easier. So you might add an egg into the mix if you so desire. But if not, they still come out wonderful, just like this.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and push the like button if you like these.
So we give it a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. There we go. All right. Okay. Bon appetit. Right? That's what they say in French, right?
Yes.
Bon appetit. All right. You know, it's time to shut this off and scarf these things down.
Have a good night.
Good night,
or day,
folks.
or whenever you're watching this.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's like I said, It's 5 o'clock somewhere. There we go.